Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Audible subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your membership. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the Audible website at audible.com. Step 2. Sign in to your Audible account using your Amazon credentials since Audible is owned by Amazon. Step 3. Hover over your name in the top right corner and select account details from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Scroll down to the membership details section where you can view your current subscription plan. Step 5. Click on Cancel Membership, which is usually located next to your membership information. Step 6. Audible will present you with options to pause your membership or switch to a different plan instead of canceling. Step 7. If you still want to cancel, click Continue to Cancel or Finish Cancellation depending on the prompts. Step 8. Confirm your cancellation and check your email for a confirmation message from Audible. Your membership will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle, allowing you to use any remaining credits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.